Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung ating mga cross-watchers na nanonood para kay Gemini at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Okay, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe o enerhiya na ating mababasa para sa iyo, Gemini. We have getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Siyempre, habang nakikilala mo isang tao, di ba, mas lalong lumalalim yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya. Separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay. So, Jemmy, medyo I could see like may isang parang event dito, no, na nagkakilala kayo, but I think somehow along the process nagkaroon ng separation. Maybe this is something to do with long distance relationship, or merong situation na nangyari sa inyo kung bakit a separation is needed. A time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So kung ba parang merong namumuo na magkakaroon ng sitwasyon na kayo ay magkakahiwalay, no? But it didn't say na temporary or permanent. Okay, but the thing is there will be a time apart. So magkahiwalay lang kayo physically. Now, it says here, of course, it is safe to you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So, ano naman kung ba parang in total, at the end of the day, it's still safe for you to, to fall in love to this person. Kasi yun yung pinaka na di ba? It is the highest energy of all. Yung talaga naman love is all that is real sa mundo na ito. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung sasabihin ng tarot. We have the Page of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Magician, the Queen of Swords. Yung bottom niya is the Page of Pentacles. Okay, Jemmy. So, ang Page of Pentacles, this is definitely may message ka, no, na matatanggap, na magsasabi na yung message na to has something to do with saying na parang pinahihiwatig sa iyo dito na yung kanyang saloobin, no, yung kung anong how intensify yung kanyang feelings towards you. Kung in other words, yung gano'n yung seriousness niya pagdating sa feelings niya sa iyo at saka yung relationship, no? Kung gaano niya binibigyan ito ng importansya o halaga. Kaya yung message na to is maybe it's something to do with, kasi since this is a pentacle, something to do with money, yung kabuhayan. If your person is that serious, of course, iniisip din niya yung future niyong dalawa, which is would mean na kailangan prepared siya for whatever the future holds for you both. Hindi lang emotionally, but of course financially. Okay, so maybe that is something to do with yung message niya has something to do also with money resources, okay? Now, with the Queen of Pentacles, of course, this is an energy coming from an earth sign, Gemini. You might be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. So, of course, the Queen of Pentacles, ang pinapahiwatig na rito is yung stability, yung security when it comes to your finances, and of course, yung pagdating nga sa matagal na panahon, yung on the long run, kung how you manage your money or your resources. So, yung pinapakitang energy kasi ng person mo is, oo, nag-start siya as a page by showing you na yung kanyang, o pinapakita niya sa'yo yung kanyang pagiging serious sa relationship na to by considering, of course, yung resources nyo o resources niya, kung paano niya ito i-build up sa pagtagal ng panahon kasi nga iniisip niya na yung future niyo together. And of course, later on, gusto niyang ma-elevate yung kanyang plano, no? To be really that secure and established pagdating really sa inyong relationship. And the Seven of Wands. Kaya, yung person mo is really very protective, no? Pagdating dito sa energy na to o sa resources na to o yung gusto niyang i-build up eventually, no? When it comes to show you or to let you know na ganun siya ka-serious, no? Kasi syempre kung mag-gauge mo, no, makikita mo naman talaga kung ganong ka-determine itong tao na to na maging successful yung relationship niya is by really showing you na meron siyang plano, no, para sa inyong dalawa when it comes really to, especially when pagdating do sa part na gusto niya nang kayong magsama ang habang buhay. So, if you'll be getting married eventually, of course, that would mean a lot of preparation and a lot of money to be saved, no, things like that, na para to show you na handa siya para sa inyong future. So, tama lang na yung energy na yun, na pinoprotektahan niya talaga to, na matupad yung kanyang plano. No? Kasi because the Queen of Pentacles plan, no? Nagpaplano ito for the future, making sure that everything really is in accordance dun sa na plano niya, naisip niya, and it will be implemented as he or she would have thought about, no, na paano niya naisip ito. Yun ang gusto niya mangyari. Yung first card mo dito, Gemini, is the Page of Wands. Again, a page is of course a message, no? May matatanggap ka na mensahe sa person mo na hindi lang siya seryoso sa'yo, comes financially, kung hindi also pagdating sa kanyang passion towards you. You know, yung damdamin niya, yung mainit na damdamin niya towards you, andoon. And of course, ang gusto niya ma-establish is to have reciprocity with the Six of Pentacles, na maging balanse, no? Balanse lahat ng magiging takbo ng relationship, especially when it comes to money, na pareho. Kung sabihin natin na if both of you are working right now, you know, you have each your own careers, siya kasi gusto niya talaga na ipakita sa'yo na, oo, I'm doing my part, I'm letting you know that I'm really working very hard para nga yung plano natin eventually to settle down, get married, and have a family matupad natin yon because I'm saving money. I wanted us both to have that, yung contribution pagdating sa expenses, no? Kung gabay, pinapakita niya na dito, maaga pa lang, na binibigay niya na o nagko-contribute na siya dun sa plano, no? At the same time, gusto niya ipakita sa'yo na gusto niya maging patas o balanse ang pera ang relationship nyo, okay? So, hindi yung isa lang ang bigay ng bigay o isa lang ang tanggap ng tanggap. Hindi ganun. Yung gusto niya is pareho kayo. Okay? And then, the Seven of Pentacles is willing siya to wait, no? Willing siya to exert effort on this pagsasave ng money. Kasi Seven of Pentacles is really doing your part and planting your seeds and making sure na you take care of your investments o kung ano man ito, or your work or your career to see it grow, no? Lumago ito, mag-prosper at dumami pa. Kasi yun ang gusto mo di ba? You are trying to save. Yung person mo, Gemini, is doing his or her best to save money, doing his or her part on this relationship para nga equal kayo. Meron kayo parehong pera, no? Pagdating ng panahon na if you are ready now to settle down. Now, with the Magician, of course, you are given now the energy kung ano yung kailangan nyo para matupad itong mga pangarap na to. And this is an energy coming from you, Gemini and Virgo, okay? Which is an earth sign, okay? So, pareho kayo, no? You're given this, kung gaba, I would say, a blessing. Kasi lahat ng pangailangan nyo, lahat ng tools na kailangan nyo na para maging successful sa pag-iipon, para matupad nga yung mga pangarap nyo pareho, is ito na, no? Kailangan nyo lang gamitin wisely itong mga binigay sa nyo ni God, itong blessings na to. And with the Queen of Swords, of course, ang purpose nito is really to stay focused, no? Stay focused dun sa plano nyo because this Queen is more of the logical side, yung pag-iisip niya talaga. Stay focused on what you have planned for. Dun, yun yung gusto nyong matupad, and huwag kayong ma-derail, no? Wala sa tinatahak nyo pareho na konting problema mawawala na. Hindi, ang gusto nyo talaga is whatever happens, andun, diretso kayo. Ito yung gusto natin mangyari sa future, so we will stick to this plan. Okay? Which is beautiful kasi kung gaba nakikita ko dito na andito yung cooperation. You both wanted this for your future. No, you're both planning kung ano na mangyayari sa future. And that is really what I wanted to say. Kasi if there will be a separation in the horizon, that would only mean na kasi nga baka you are planning, you or your person is planning to maybe work abroad. Kaya diba sabi ko, it's something to do with the long distance relationship, na baka nga gusto niya kasing makapag-ipon pa at to further yung kanyang development na kanyang career, which is not bad. But of course, meron mo tayo a little bit of sacrifice to do, lalo na kung ang purpose naman ito is eventually sa future nyo is to be together and to be happy and successful. And of course, definitely, meron kayong naipon, sapat na pera na naipon para sa inyong kinabukasan. Kaya, itong card of getting to know each other this is the portion of really seeing your person na, wow, ganito pala siya talaga, na seryoso siya sa akin, sa relationship namin, na gusto niya na talaga na pagdating sa tamang panahon, kami ay talagang magkakatuluyan at meron kaming, yung alam mo yung hindi kami hirap, yung hindi kayo hirap dahil nakapag-ipon kayo, you did the right thing, you did the mature way of getting into a relationship, and that is beautiful. Now, separation, sabi ko nga, it might be in the horizon kasi nga baka merong plano to work abroad. One of you might have plans to work abroad, or it might be the two of you. Depende na, take it as it resonates. But the thing is, yung separation na to, don't take it na talagang yung as in, parang parang a hurdle, no? Hindi siya ganon. Take it as something that is challenging, no? Part of the challenge sa inyong relationship, because syempre mahirap na magkalayo kayo, no? Na to be able to see each other that frequent. But of course, nasa sa inyo na yun, yung determination nyo to succeed while in separation, because you have this purpose that you wanted to achieve for both of you in the future. Kaya, kung ba parang don't ever lose that love from both of you. Kung may separation man kayo na mangyayari now or sa future, don't ever lose that love. Kasi yung love na yun ang magbabind sa inyo to be strong and to focus on your plan, okay, para ma-fulfill siya. Let us see what to clarify, kasi all your cards, Gemini, are maganda. It is really telling me something that is being planned in the future, and that you are really there na to make sure that this is what you wanted, this is what you will achieve, and this is what's gonna happen. Maybe what we can clarify is yung Page of Wands. At andito yung Page of Wands. You have the Two of Cups, the Empress, and the Four of Swords. Bottom niya is the High Priestess. Okay, Gemmy, so alam mo, you're being asked to use your intuition pagdating sa bagay na to. This is, by the way, an energy coming from a Pisces, okay? Now, yung sabi ko sa inyo na you will receive a very passionate message from your person na talagang i-express niya, no, that you are my one and only. No, this is the Two of Cups, na kayong dalawa talaga. You're meant to be, na ikaw lang yung mahal ko. You are my soulmate. And the Empress, of course, ikaw yung aking love and abundance. Nakita ko sa'yo yung lahat ng gusto ko sa isang kapartner, sa aking person. I could feel or I could see us being prosperous in the future. No, magiging masagana ang ating buhay na magkasama tayong dalawa. And with the Four of Swords, yan yung palagi kong napapaginipan o naiisip sa gabi na I keep dreaming, I keep thinking about it, no? Na sa pagtulog ko na yun yung aking pinapangarap, na makita, na matupad itong lahat ng naiisip ko. Which is maganda, wow. Okay, but andito yung Queen of Swords. Oh. Jump siya. Again, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Ace of Wands, and the Death card. Okay. So, yung sabi ko dito na there is this plan that you wanted to make sure that you stay focused. Of course, you will stay focused because with the Queen of Pentacles, yun siya eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, itong earth sign na to would make sure that everything that has been thought, planned, will be implemented as you have thought and planned about it, no? Kung ano yung naplano nyo, na naisip niya o naisip nyo pareho, gusto niya ma-execute yun, ma-implement. And magiging very protective siya dito sa relationship na to o sa plano na to make sure that everything will come true, no? Matutupad. And with the Ace of Wands, of course, nakikita niya kasi yung new beginning with you. Something that is very passionate. Something that is truly yung gusto niya. And of course, with the Death card, no, itong energy na to coming from a Scorpio, itong death na to would mean something that will be rebirth o may mabubuhay muli, or kung meron man na sabihin natin, because of separation, kung things have changed, because sabihin natin na for a while na you need to be separated from each other, no, magkahiwalay kayo, once nagkita kayo muli, there will be this new passionate beginning. And it will be, giving you this parang transformation pagdating sa how you feel again for each other. Kasi, syempre, kung matagal kayo nagkahiwalay, hindi kayo nagkita muli, once nagkita kayo, wow, bang! Talagang makikita mo na yung pagbabago. O yung, kasi nga nawala kayo sa isa't isa, you haven't seen each other for a while, no? Hindi kayo nakikita physically, but of course, yung emotions andun pa rin. But once nakita kayo, talagang makikita mo yung there is this change na talagang sobra yung excitement with the Ace of Wands. Na talagang gustong-gusto mo talagang i-express yung feelings nyo sa isa't isa. No? This is something na very symbolic kasi nga wands could mean something very phallic. Kung ba parang it has something to do with sexuality or intimacy. So, posible yon kasi kung nagkahiwalay nga kayo ng matagal, you would totally wanted it na talagang to express that intimacy with your person, okay, which is tama lang, beautiful, no? So let us see kung ano pa yung message na gusto sabihin ni Angel sa'yo, Gemini. Love language, physical touch. A tender touch means so much. Yes. Diba? Sabi sa'yo, kung talagang mamimiss ka niya, gusto ka niya na talagang, alam mo yun, angkinin. If that's the better word. Now, sabi dito, self-love. Love yourself first, which is tama lang, no, Gemini. I mean, all of us, we need self-love. Bago kasi tayo ma-involve with someone, for us to fall in love with another person, we need to fall in love with ourselves first. Kailangan mahal muna natin ang sarili natin. And then, natural evolution, let the situation unfold naturally. Okay, so, pabayaan nyo lang, no? Pabayaan nyo lang to unfold it. Kasi, it will happen. Okay, it will happen kung talagang para sa inyo, para sa inyo. Huwag mong pilitin, you don't have to do so much para lang matupad dito. Kasi kung talagang para sa inyo, matutupad dito o mangyayari ito para sa inyo without you really trying so hard. Parang dadating talaga siya para sa iyo. Kasi it was destined to be you in the first place, to be with you in the first place with this person. I hope nakatulong ito sa Gemini. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa nito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.